Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week. We had amazing volatility, especially all the yen pair, and most of the traders banked amazing profit, 100 plus pips. And let me share with you guys how I analyze market today and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of reviews, so feel free to join my fast growing trader community. More information is available at the video description. So let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the dollar CAD, and then later on I can show you the best trade of the day today. All right, so Euro USD, if you look at the Euro USD in 4-hour chart, the market open, price respected. We have this long trade here once the price develop bullish engulfing candle. So technically we were looking this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely developed symmetric triangle pattern. So we had this long trade here in the morning, and afterwards we will have a short trade. We were expecting a pullback anyway. You can see here, if you look at my previous analysis, if you haven't seen it, video link is given in the video descriptions. We were looking at a short trade here, so technically we have taken a short trade here. We are keep taking a pullback. So let's see if the price is going to continue. We are still keep taking a pullback. So let's see tomorrow, but let me share with you how I analyzed today. Today was a very good trade, guys. And if you look at the my intraday analysis, entries and exit, okay, so this is the analysis. As you can see here, at the market open, we had this beautiful breakout. I can see price broken and retest. This was the trade here, long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, and in 4-hour major resistance, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. So we banked some profit, and we were expecting a short at this level in the based on the 4-hour. You can see here, as soon as the price reverse impulsively, explained to my trader, look for another breakout opportunity, which price broken, and after the breakout we have another pullback, which I also updated that analysis instantly at the New York session, just to make sure that trader don't miss that opportunity. As you can see here, explain my trader, look for here, price did not respect this level, and based on the 4-hour, we're expecting a short trade here, breakout. After the breakout, pullback, another pullback, and announce all these pullbacks as soon as the price hit to the final target. And that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. You can see, guys, we had an amazing trade on Euro USD. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a good trade too. If you look at the 4-hour chart, last week we had a beautiful trade, and we were expecting a reversal, a pullback at this level. So at the Asian session, we have this bullish engulfing candle. So we have this counter long trade here, bank amazing profit, and afterwards price nicely hit to the profit target, and afterwards the price developed a sort of like a consolidation. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was the only trade we had it on pound dollar. As you can see, that was a pretty straightforward. Price respected, developed bullish engulfing candle, and in intraday, that's what explained my trader, price developed inverted head and shoulder pattern. Look for this breakout is already performed, so looking here another pullback, first target here and the second target this one, which explained to my trader. As you can see here, price nicely develop a beautiful pullback based on the momentum and nicely hit all these targets very nicely at this level, and we bank amazing profit. And afterwards price developed sideways. As you can see here, we are still looking. You can see here, that's what I explained my trader, look, let the market break this structure. As you can see here, price hasn't broken this structure, so we are looking this breakout. So we'll see tomorrow, guys. But we had amazing trade on dollar CAD. We also had a beautiful trade on dollar yen. So let me share with you the dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we were expecting a pullback anyway at this level because the price broken previously, so we're looking at pullback. So at the market open, we have this breakout and beautiful short trade here. Target was the previous low, which nicely hit, and afterwards we were looking here another pullback, a reversal at this level. So we also had a counter long trade here. We're expecting, if you look at right now, the price develop a bullish engulfing candle is the good sign. Let's see if the price stay above this level, which is broken previous high, then I'm expecting a reversal. We'll see, guys, how that's gonna go in tomorrow. But let me share with you how I analyze market today. As mentioned, based on the 4-hour, we're expecting a pullback short trade here, but then this is the structure I explained. Let the market break out. If the price gonna break and retest, then keep taking a pullback. You can see here price broken this morning, and even retest. After that we have pullback, another pullback, and our target was the previous high. As soon as the price developed, broken this one and respected this one. If you look at here, price develop another pattern here. As soon as the price hit this level, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see, let the market develop another pattern. As you can see here, we were expecting long at this level, and that's what I explained my trader. Look, right now, let the market, if the market is going to break the previous high or low, then we're going to take a trade here. If you look at here, price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern, that's give us the significant sign. And as you can see here, price nicely broken, counter long trade, bank amazing few pips. So now we're expecting here another pullback at this level. We'll see how the market is going to react. As you can see here, developing it pullback. So let's move into the best trade today. That was all the yen pair, guys. If you look at the dollar yen, beautiful. If you look at here, bias is long, and we were expecting a long at this level, which developed nicely. We had this breakout and beautiful, and we explain my trade, keep taking a pullback. And if you look at here, we have a two analysis at the London morning session. We had this analysis. Look for this breakout. We also had this beautiful counter short trade here, bank few pp's. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, explain my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. And afterwards, as soon as the price reversed, our bias was long. It was expecting a long pullback here. That's what I explained. If the price gonna break the previous high or low, then we're going to take a trade here. Even the price broken beautifully, as you can see here, nicely broken this level. Afterwards, one pullback, second pullback. You can see here we had such a beautiful nice ride on dollar yen. Enjoy beautiful profit on dollar yen. All the yen pair. If you look at the pound yen, that was a beautiful breakout. If you look at here, that was the beautiful trade here at the New York session. Beautiful breakout and pullback. All right, guys, as you see how we analyze market in 4 hour, how we analyze market in intraday, and banks profit every single day. All right, guys. So most important part of it, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. That's what exactly you're going to experience it. I understand this is the analysis review, but the most interesting part of it, watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill with a live market through live intraday analysis with the live support. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader every single day in a live trading environment, how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So I have a very limited place. So most welcome, join my fast growing trading community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.